Hello everyone, welcome back to epicartdesigns.com. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and like this video to see more content like this. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to know the order of your pages. I know some people was getting confused because as you can see, we design our pages side by side, so it's very confusing to know which one is the page, what the page order is. So this is mainly for a page. 4 pages are fairly easy to know, but I will show you that too. So I have this template here. The size of this template is 11 by 17. This is the print ready paper size, but of course when you fold it, it's going to be 8.5 by 11 inches. So this is the page that we have, and I have the page order labeled at the top. If you just want to copy that, you can. Of course, the first slide will be pages 8 and 1. Front and back cover, and then the next slides will be page 2 and page 7. Next slide will be 6 and 3, and the next slide will be 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are connecting pages, so as you can see, I make the designs to match the connecting pages. So you can go ahead and copy this onto your stuff. This goes for really every program that we design that is an 8-page, and you can just whatever page you want to put on, like you can just switch it out, switch the pages. So let's just do a quick example here. So let's say you don't want the celebration of life on this page, but you want the order of service up there. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this. I'm gonna select layers, and then I'm gonna show layers, and then I'm gonna hold command on my computer so that I'm selecting just the text and this title here. So I'm going to group that, and then I'm going to go to the order of service page here, and I'm going to do the same thing. Go to layers, show layers, and I'm just going to go ahead and group the title and this as well. And then all you have to do is really just drag this over here. Do that for this one as well. Drag this over here. So now you basically just switch the pages. So if you want to switch the pages, you have to manually switch them so that the content aligns with it. Yeah. Okay, so another way to switch the pages is what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new tab, and I'm going to set it to 8.5 by 11. Again, I'm going to set it to the size that is like the size of the booklet once folded, if you're doing it this way. So from there, I'm just going to upload all the pages onto there. And I did that by downloading this file here. I just downloaded all these pages as a PNG. And then I opened it up here. So now we have pages that look like that. And I basically just put it on the page, cropped it on the page, and cropped it to fit the front cover. Just like that. So once you do it like that, you do the other pages like that as well. So make sure that you're doing it in the order you want your booklet though. So this is basically the order of the booklet basically. And what you can do with this file, once you copied all the pages and aligned all the pages up, you can also change the pages around too by going to grid view and kind of switching out the pages. If you want order of service next to the life reflection, you can put them together. So what you would do with this is you would download this as a PDF standard or a PDF print, I'm sorry. And then you will flatten the PDF, make sure the color profile is CMYK, and then you will download this and you send this to your printers. If you have like Staples or a print company print this, they'll know to do front and back. So front and back does not depend on Canva. It depends on the printer capability. So let's just remember that, because some people message us and be like, how can they file can't print front and back when it's all about the printer. And that is basically it, guys. Again, don't forget to copy these settings up here, the page number, because this goes for every 8-page. So if you need to know what page is what, this is it, okay? This will let you know. So that's all for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you would like to purchase this template, I'll link it in the description as well. And then a lot of people ask us about our printer and paper supplies. I have all that on Patreon. I have more videos on Patreon, real-time tutorials on there. If you want to go check that out, I'll link that in the description as well. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.